ladies and gentlemen, we had a little technical difficulty. But that happens always when we have the best coming on stage. Do you know who that's coming? The Manwan Wala Salame. I know all of you came to see the beautiful dancers, but guess what? We got better people coming up. We have our famous kids fashion show coming up. I want you to see how creative our kids are. They are wearing our traditional clothing, the modern version of our clothing. I want you to welcome my dear, beautiful Marian and Amal. Start the show, girls. Are the daughters of Farah and Ahmed. Amal wants to become a doctor and Mariam wants to become a dentist, inshallah. Both would love to attend the University of Minnesota. Beautiful Mariam and Amal. Go girls! The beautiful dresses that you're seeing that they're wearing is our traditional Somali dress. They are wearing this fashion of the Carmel Souk. Please give them another hand of applause to Marian and Amal. Beautiful girls. Next, we have Prince Hanad. Become a doctor, inshallah. Will love to attend the University of Pennsylvania. He is the wonderful son of Fortun and Farhan. Please give him a hand of applause to Hanad. Again, Hanad is wearing Fortun fashion. Hoya Ma'an dressed him up in Mawis and Shara traditional clothes. Our next models are Imani and Nadia. Imani wants to become a ballerina. She is the daughter of beautiful Yasmin, and Nadia wants to become an elementary teacher attending the Howard University. She is the beautiful daughter of Clarissa and Abdullahi. Beautiful girls. That's what it is. Both of them are wearing the unique design of Anino. Please give them a round of applause to my beautiful princesses, Imani and Nadia. Next we have our Princess Suhaila. She wants to become a WNBA player and a lawyer. She wants to attend the Howard University. Her dress is sewn by beautiful Yasmin at the Anino design. Please give a hand of applause to Suhaila. Next we have Suba. Child of Fortun and Khalid. Beautiful Suban, mashallah. Suban is wearing the design of Django. Please give a hand to beautiful Suban. Next is Amina. She wants to attend the Columbia University. She is my beautiful daughter in Noor. She is wearing this unique design by Anino. Please give a warm applause to Amina. Next is Safia. Go Safia. inshallah, graduating from the Howard University. Safia is also an athletic, a strong athletic. She plays basketball better than me, just letting you know. And her beautiful dira is from Anino Design. Please give a warm hand to beautiful Safia. Next is Faduma. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Faduma is the beautiful daughter of Khatra and Awil. She will love to become an entrepreneur. In other words, she will be the big money lady, and she wants to attend the Stanford University. MashaAllah. Now, Faduma is very smart and bright, you see, and she's wearing this beautiful dress designed by Django. As you can see, Faduma is our lovely model. Please give a hand of applause to Faduma. Next, we have Ayan. Ayan is the beautiful daughter of Fortuna and Khalid. Ayan wants to become a pediatric surgeon and would love to attend the Princeton University. East Coast, yes, is very beautiful, and it has been sold by Django. Please give a round of applause to my beautiful Ayan. Next is Aisha. Aisha, the daughter of Yasmin and Abdurrahman. Aisha would love to serve her country, the United States of America, as a National Guard. She is very excited about serving that, and I should tell you that Aisha has a spirit with a heart of gold. May Allah always bless you, my dear. She is wearing the beautiful design of Django. You can find Django, by the way, at Carmel. Woo, girl! Now, please give a round of applause to Aisha. Next is Yasmin. MashaAllah. Yasmin hails from Fortuna and Abdul Qadir. She is another athletic in our models. She would love to become a physical therapist. Wants to graduate from Ohio State. And is a super athletic, playing basketball, soccer, volleyball. You name it, she plays it all perfectly. Beautiful Yasmin's dress has been designed by Django. That is nice. I like that dress. Please give a round of applause to beautiful Yasmin. This is Ruwaida. Ruwaida is the wonderful daughter of Naima. Ruwaida's dream is to become a doctor, inshallah, graduating from Cornell University. You're beautiful, Hamariel. MashaAllah. Ruwaida's dress has been designed by Django at Carmel. She is wearing her traditional beads, by the way. Beautiful Ruwaida. Thank you so much, sweetheart. Give her a round of applause. Next is Tahani. Tahani wants to become a pediatrician. She wants to graduate from our home university, University of Minnesota. She is the wonderful daughter of Amal and Hassan. Her dress has been designed by wonderful Yasmin at Anino Design. This is the modernized fashion of our Hidio Dakan. Beautiful Tahani. Imani. Give her a round of applause, Imani. Next is Fatima. Beautiful Fatima is the daughter of Farhiya and Abdul Qadir. Now, Fatima loves to watch movies, so she wants to become a movie critic. And she will obtain her degree from the University of Madison, inshallah. Fatima's dress has been designed by Agena Django, and her dress is here with a little modern twist. Please give a round of applause to beautiful Fatima. Next is Prince Hamza. Hamza wants to become a doctor. He wants to attend the University, Iowa State. And his mother is Fartoon and Farhad. Yes, that is Prince Hamza. So we have Fartoon. Fartoon. Yes, Fartoon is the beautiful daughter of Fatima and Mohammed. Fartoon wants to become a pediatric general surgeon, attending our own university, University of Minnesota. Go Fartoon! Her dress is beautifully designed and sewn by Django. Yes, Fartoon, you got it, girl. Woo! Give a round of applause to Fartoon. Next, we have beautiful Edna. Edna is the daughter of Khatra and Mustafa. Edna wants to become a lawyer. She wants to attend Stanford University. Her dress is a unique design, a new version of our done by Anino design. Please give a round of applause to my beautiful, beautiful, amazing Edna. Woo! Way to go, Edna, mashallah. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the piece you were waiting for, please welcome Patience. Patience is the daughter of Amana. Patience, inshallah, wants to become a fashion designer when she grows up. Her dress is uniquely designed by her mother, Fab Faith Fashion. Patience is a model herself, has a unique design for us. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm hand for our lovely model, Patience. Please welcome all our models on stage. I would like this moment to say a few brief words. These beautiful models are on stage tonight due to their parents. I would like, deeply from the bottom of my heart, thank every single parent who has attended the auditions and our cultural classes during this time. The parents were amazing and I truly appreciate them. There are also volunteers who have helped us. One of them is Hodan Aden. Please Hodan, come on stage. And our next one is Sagal Abdullahi. Sagal, I know you hear me, don't hide, come on stage. I would like for you to give them a warm hand of applause to our beautiful models, please.